Hey there, welcome to Emifast, where we optimize entrepreneurs' tech structures, set up companies abroad, and manage their accounting. Let's go! All from Dubai style business hub. And I know what you're thinking now. Why is Emifast based here? Well guys, please stick around because I'm going to show you exactly why this location is very important to us, to our clients. I'm going to show you our offices and obviously our team. We operate from 2 offices in Dubai, both located at IFZA Digital Park. Why? Because when it comes to business setup, tax strategies, or financial optimization, location is everything. And we're not just here by chance. We are official partners with IFZA, one of the leading free zones in the UAE. That means that we have priority access to the right people, the latest updates, and the fastest business setup processes. Being based here gives us direct connection with key free zone authorities, faster company setup and licensing for our clients, and real-time updates on free zone policies. Simply put, we don't just talk about tax optimization and business setup. On top of that, we have remote staff in 28 different countries, ensuring that we always have local expertise available for our clients no matter where they are.
And this global presence means we can provide local market knowledge and streamline our operation processes.
And we stay ahead of international tax laws, making sure all our clients stay compliant and optimized. Now let's talk about something that is very important that a lot of people overlook. Work-life balance, because setting up a business or running a business can be stressful. That's why we are surrounded by top-tier gyms, so whether you need a quick workout, a full training session, or just to clear your mind, everything is in walking distance. We also have nice restaurants and cafes for business lunches, or just to make sure that when you had a long day, you can have a quick meal, or for networking obviously, because that's what Dubai stands for.
You need a team that understands the entire ecosystem of taxation, business setup, and financial efficiency in Dubai and beyond.
And the best part, we handle everything in-house, meaning no delays and no nonsense. If you're looking for a corporate 9-to-5, then yes, we're probably not the right fit for you. But if you're looking to work in a young, dynamic environment where ambition, growth, and career is very important, welcome to Emifast. And if this sounds like a place to thrive for you, send us your CV and let's talk.